Hello, everyone. Welcome to our demo on data labeling by active learning. The team members for this project include myself, Daniel, Angelo, Mia, Michael, Rahul, and Walter. We were also shadowed by Capstone 1 students, Angel, Ronald Pena, and William. The product owners for this project are Dr. Mark Finlayson, Associate Professor at FIU, Dabiba Jahan, PhD candidate at FIU, and our instructor, Dr. Masood Sahadi, Associate Professor at FIU. This is our web application, Patentify, an AI-assisted patent learning web application. We have created this application for the United States Patent Office to use. The purpose of this application was to create an application that will help the USPTO office save time and money on the annotation of patents, as this is a very tedious job. Our team created this project using a variety of web technologies, such as React for our front-end framework, MongoDB as our database, and Python to implement our machine learning algorithms. When you arrive to our website, you will be brought directly to the homepage. Once here, you will need to navigate to the sign-up page and create an account. By default, all accounts have a role of annotator, so you will not have any admin rights. Feel free to create an account or use one of our demo accounts so you can navigate and get a feel for our website. I will now go ahead and create a demo account. Enter the name on the first line, email on the second line, and then create a password. If you would like to navigate on our website, feel free to use this demo account. The email is test3@test.com, and the password is 123. I will now go ahead and log into our account. Once you're logged into your account, you will be able to annotate patents. On the left side of the screen, patents are displayed, randomly selected from our database, and presented in an iframe. These patents are real-world patents that have been submitted to the United States Patent Office and now are being classified by annotators. On the right side of the screen is a form that records the category of the patents. Patents can be classified as multiple categories, but need to meet certain guidelines that have been provided to us by the USPTO office. If you would like to annotate a patent, you will need to make a change on the form in order to toggle the submit button. Otherwise, you can skip and another patent will be displayed. So we will go ahead and annotate this patent and show you that our response is submitted and saved in our database. So this patent meets no criteria of any of these categories. So I have gone ahead and made a change on the form in order to toggle the submit button. So now we'll go ahead and submit. And our response has been sent to our database. Now we'll go ahead and log in as an admin account and show you our admin dashboard. Now I'll log in as an admin. There's currently only one admin user in our database. If you would like to use our admin account, feel free to, as admins have extra views and access. Our admin account is admin@test.com, and the password is 123.
The admin can also annotate patterns as any other user. However, the only difference between the admin and the user is that the admin has the ability to monitor annotation activity as well as look at the different users in the system. Upon signing in as the admin, we're directed to a visual dashboard where we're able to monitor all the activities in terms of annotations. We can see the total number of patterns annotated. We can also see the number of patterns annotated per category. Now let's head over to the user section. In the user section, the admin can see all the users that are currently in the system, as well as their emails. We can also export all of this user information as a CSV or a PDF file. Now let's head over to the Labels tab. In the Labels tab, we have a list of all the annotations that have been made for each document by different users. We have grouped the table by document ID and then by users. So for each document, we can look at the users that annotated the document. And within each user, we're able to see the timestamp of the annotation as well as the different values for the categories they put. As you can see, two different users annotated the same document, and there might be some differences between the annotations. To be able to calculate the similarity of these annotations, we are able to calculate the inter-annotator agreement. We can select all the patterns and click on Calculate Inter-Annotator Agreement. Upon clicking this, we can see that the annotation agreement for these 108 annotations is 0.06. To calculate the kappa, we use Cohen's kappa, which is the numerical statistic to calculate annotation agreement between two users. To see the activity for specific users, to export all the data as a CSV or a PDF file. We can also move to different pages to see different labels. We can also remove the grouping to see all the information raw and then group it either by user,